Welcome to our tutorial on using a chatbot AI to diagnose and fix broken formulas in your Excel spreadsheets. We will be using ChatGPT for this, but there are other text-based AIs that you can use if you prefer. The steps would be similar no matter which AI you choose to use. So what we're looking at here on the left in Excel is a formula that is not working correctly. We're trying to determine the cost of two items plus tax at 7.5%. Just looking at it, we can see that the tax cost, which is one of two cells that has a formula built in here, is not working. I'm not sure what I did incorrectly. So I'm going to copy this formula into ChatGPT and prompt it to fix this broken Excel formula. Notice that in this case, ChatGPT says that the formula might be okay, depending on what we're trying to do with it, but that it may need a parenthesis for the formula to work properly. So let's explain further with a follow-up prompt. The formula is supposed to add the cost of two items and then multiply it by the cost of the local tax rate. Please fix. And just like that, ChatGPT gave us a working formula. Copy and then paste that formula into Excel, and now it works. This is a fairly simple formula, all things considered, but ChatGPT can handle much more complex broken formulas. If you give it enough information about what you're trying to do, it can explain to you what is wrong with the formula and give you a corrected one, just like it did for us today. This is a game changer because you can't really search the internet for a broken formula and have it tell you what you meant to write. But with AI, you can.